Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So my kid loves his little bike, he loves dirt, and he's got that little, I built him a little track after installing my pool. As you can tell, that's all ruined. It's all ruined, it's all ruined. Anyway, I'm gonna build him a nice track. I'm gonna put some new grass on here, pretty much needed, and gonna build him a cool BMX track so he can have a lot of fun. And so can I, because I got my little bike over here. Look at that. Yeah, I'm not only building this for him, it's also for myself. So and as you guys can tell, well, I've got a lot of black sand, as we call it, a lot of dirt going on over here. So we're gonna clean that up. Get some concrete, how are the things called? Slabs, concrete slabs. I don't know, like little concrete walls. These guys. How do you call it in English? I got no idea what they're called. Concrete something. Totally drained the battery. Gotta recharge his car. Or he's gonna be pissed when he comes home and notices his car is not charged. And those cars really break a lot, so that switch already broken. I made one over here. Look at that. And of course, the original battery is this little Chinese thing that runs for 20 minutes, if you're lucky. So I took it out and I installed a pretty decent, a very large, all the way from up here, up there. Got some plastic out, and now I've got a giant motorcycle battery in there. So it's got more amps, more power. It's a lot stronger, and it runs for like 2-3 hours. So happy kiddo. Yeah, dang it. Well, at no point in this video I'm gonna teach you guys how to do construction work, because the only thing I know is that are some concrete things. There's some like concrete thing in the bag. I gotta mix that thing with water and I can get those things stuck in the sand. That's all I know about construction work. So if I'm doing something wrong, don't blame me, don't blame me. Digging trenches. I feel like I'm in World War II. Did they have trenches then? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, god dang, this is exhausting. Hoo-wee! Look at that. Sun's going down. I'm getting a little bit chilly, but job done. Holly a boy for the BMX track. Gonna fill that hole and all that space, gonna fill it up with some rocks, probably some white rocks or something, or maybe gray, not sure about that. I think I'm gonna go for white rocks. So next up we are going to do the lanes over here, so BMX lanes, and over there and behind that, and all the way round like there. And back over here. So not gonna do this because yeah, you need this for walkie-walkies, but next up we're gonna do the track. I used some wood boards to make his track, and waiting for the sand to come in, and then we're gonna like make all the mountains. Hot dog. Nice. I had 3 hot dogs on the plate, but if you have beagles. She came around the back, as you can see, and she jumped on the table and stole one of my hot dogs. And now it's full of hair and dirty. Dang it. Ugh. This is gonna be a long day today. Dang it. It's got dang hot outside, but we got the job done. Look at that. Want to see a nice city backyard? And there we go. So I'm still working on my boy's little track, and it needs some more holes and dents and jumps and things like that, but he already had a blast riding his little car. Once it's all done and really smooth and things like that, I'm gonna put some kind of concrete, not really concrete. You don't want to have concrete in your backyard for something like this, so something different, something strong but not as hard as concrete. So far so good. Rest finished. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and see you guys later. Peace.